Welcome back to Unbound Vars. I'm sure you did enjoy that first video that talks about how to replace your flat tire on the KIA Carnival 2024. Today we're talking about storing your spare tire back to its compartment. This video is going to be brief. Please consider subscribing as you enjoy this video. Continue watching as I show you how to store your spare tire back in its compartment in KIA Carnival 2024 vehicle. So by now I'm sure you already know where the spare tire is stored on the KIA Carnival 2024. It's not stored in the regular trunk like other vehicles. So just to remind you, it is stored on the right side of your vehicle at the bottom. And to access it, you need to remove the carpet on the right passenger seat's front and access the bolt that holds up the spare tire. That is where the spare tire is located. Once you locate the cover to the bolt that holds the spare tire line, the next thing to do is to break out your spanner. You're gonna use your spanner to turn that bolt anti-clockwise direction, like you're seeing in the video. Turn it anti-clockwise direction as many times as needed to lower the line enough so that it will be showing on the right side of the vehicle. This might take a couple of minutes, or as long as you continue to turn that bolt anti-clockwise, as you're seeing in the video, it will continue to lower the line and the cover of the spare tire. Keep on turning it, so continue to lower it the more. It can extend all the way to the side of the car, so it will give you enough leverage and space to tuck it into the spare tire. Watch the video. Once you have enough leverage to put the line through the cover and the tire, then the next thing to do is to cover the tire. Make sure when you cover the tire, the clips on the cover sits through the spare tire's holes. There should be 5 holes on the spare tire to match the 5 clips that's on the cover. Make sure those clips get inserted into the holes as you're seeing in the video. Once you get a click or 5 clicks and you are sure that the cover is fully seated, then you can start passing the line through the spare tire and the cover, and then set it straight below the vehicle. there you have it. Thanks for watching. I hope you have learned how to store your spare tire in the KIA Carnival 2024 model. So if you've learned something from this video, please consider subscribing, sharing this video, and liking it. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.